And this. So you can see where it went. Today we're taking a look at Scott's leaf collector. We're gonna see how well this works and yeah, test it out for y'all. I will admit, putting these rods through has been a little annoying, but once you get it, you get it. You basically just run the rods through this piece here that has just this little flap that's gonna be facing you. And then the rods just go through. The Scott's gonna be facing directly behind, but you don't gotta worry about that. Biggest part is just to face it here, run the two big rods through, then we're gonna run this rod through right through here, connect it with these connectors. So yeah, okay, have this facing like this, so the Scott's gonna face out. You're gonna be able to see underneath here directly, and then these pieces just simply pop on like this, so it's better to see it from this angle. They clip right under in there, and then just pops right here, and then you take this little plastic piece here and you go ahead and you can push this in if you want to take it on and off. So now we test it out. We might, yeah, so we might have to adjust it. So if it catches, it just means you need to adjust the height, which is right on here. And this. So you can see where it went. It'll be easier to tell once we go in the deeper part, but you can see the little path. I wish it held more. That's, I think, gonna be the most annoying part, is it doesn't hold as much as I would have hoped. I mean, it definitely makes everything easy. You can see it. If you go too fast, it kind of wants to go out the side. So you can see it definitely fills up very quickly. You can kind of move them over. So after using it for a little bit, I'm a little conflicted. It makes it easy, so if you guys don't like using a rake, it definitely makes it easier. And you can go at your own pace. I wish this basket was like 2 to 4 times bigger than what it is. That's my personal opinion. If it was at least 3 times bigger, I would be more happy than I am right now. It works good, as you guys can see. But I'm not sure if it's going to be faster for me or actually make me slower. So I'm all about speed, and I like getting stuff done as fast as possible. So for me, a rake might be faster, unless I can see if they have a bigger one, a bigger basket. If I can find a bigger basket, this will definitely save me time. So yeah, you know, if this would definitely be for someone who doesn't, you know, want crazy physical activity, definitely would be pretty good for that. Or someone who wants to take it at their own pace, or someone who just wants to do, you know, doesn't want to hustle with a rake, because it does work really well.